Suo Trung here. As a business owner, a coach, and mentor to a lot of brokers and a lot of salespeople, financial advisors, and people in the sales industry. And as a previous business owner, I'm an entrepreneur, a serial entrepreneur. So I do a lot of business. And boy, do I have a lot of experience with dealing with clients and customers. Do I make mistakes? Yes. Have I made a ton of huge mistakes in the past? Yes. Now, we all know, okay? Yes, mistakes happen. But here's the thing. Do you let that client walk away having a bad experience because of your mistake? Or do you own up to it and find a way to resolve that issue to make the client happy, not just satisfied, but beyond satisfied, right? Here's why. I have made mistakes in the past where I owned up and I find out what the client really wants. And you know what I do? I do better, right? I don't under-deliver or just deliver what was expected, right? I find a way to show them I can do even more, right? Not just presents and gifts or, to give them afterward. It's like, if they want a certain type of results for me to achieve for them, I help them grow even more. I help them get even more. What does that look like in your business? I don't know. Figure it out, right? You have so much resources at hand, so many things that you can do. If you were in their shoe, we just think about it, right? Put yourself in your client's shoe and said, what could Suo do that would make me a raving fan? Not just fix my problem, not to fix his mistake that he made, but convert me from an unsatisfied client to an extremely satisfied client, right? What does it look like? What would he need to do to make me that raving fan for his business, his service? And that's really it's the core of it, right? At the end of the day is that we want to be happy. We don't want you as a business owner to be unhappy, that we're unhappy with your service or for your mistakes. We don't. I mean, honestly, at the end of the day, is own up to it. Don't create any excuses. I never ever say, oh, it's this fault, it's because it's her fault, his fault, my team's fault. Whatever happened. Clients don't care. They don't give a rat's ass what happened. That's your problem. It's not theirs. Theirs is, I am paying you to do your job, deliver. That's all they want. Sometimes, yes, things get in the way, busy, this time of year, especially for example, the florists that I'm talking about right now. Yes, there was mistakes. Yes, they could have done it earlier. They could have delivered earlier. They could have done things differently, right? Confirm it before they send out anybody, or first thing in the morning, make all the quick calls first before you do deliveries, especially when you know things are really, really going to be busy that day, right? So do the most critical things first and get it done. But anyway, besides that, it's already done. What can you do, right? How can you exceed expectations now? Well, you have people in your hand. You have things that you can do. Your cost is not that much. Think about what it costs you or potential loss, right? So here's the thing. Look at it from a point of view. How can I convert this person to be a loyal client for life? So he or she knows you as a client, even if something screw up, you as a business owner is going to over-deliver and make up for it, right? Then they will stay with you forever. That's how you buy loyalty. You don't buy loyalty from regular clients that are consistently buying and you don't have any problem with them. That, they can always change. They can always move elsewhere. But what's critical is that we know when you as a business owner make a mistake and you own up to it and exceed the expectations afterwards, that's amazing. That's what we want. That's the kind of business that we want to work with. We want to give our money to. Because we know at the end of the day, stuff's happen, right? Shit happens. So no excuses. That's one. Second is figure out a way, how do I make this person not just from unhappy to happy, but ecstatic to do business with you in the future. Okay? So same in any business, my friend. No excuses. Just figure out a way. We have a creative brain. We have a group of people. Talk to your people. Say, hey, what would you do? What would you want me to do if this was you and I screw up on your delivery, right? What can I do better? What does it look like? That's it. Get feedback and do that. And I tell you, whatever it is, just make the person ecstatic about it. And they are your clients forever for life. All right? So hope you learned something from this short little video and grow your business that way. You can have loyalty forever. Really, it doesn't take that much, right? It might cost a little bit, but I tell you, in the long run, that lifetime worth and value for that client, it'd be immense. I guarantee you this much. Okay, so level up, and I'll see you at the top.